Is your WhatsApp stuck on backing up on your iPhone? This can happen due to a slow internet connection, iCloud sync problems, or low storage. No need to worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the WhatsApp backup stuck issue quickly and easily. Let's get started. Solution 1. Check iCloud storage and enable iCloud Drive. First, open up the settings. After that, tap on the Apple ID profile. Next, tap iCloud. Tap Drive here. Make sure to turn on Sync this iPhone option. Solution 2. Sync WhatsApp. Open up the settings, then tap on the Apple ID profile. After that, tap on iCloud. Next, tap on See All. After that, scroll down and find the WhatsApp app. Make sure to toggle it on. If you still have the same issue, then follow my next solution. Solution 3. Clear WhatsApp cache. Open up the settings, then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and find the WhatsApp app. Next, tap on WhatsApp, then tap Offload. And again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Go to Settings again. Tap General. Scroll down. Then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset network settings. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap Reset network settings again. After resetting network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. I hope your WhatsApp backup issue on your iPhone is fixed. If this video helped, make sure to hit the like button. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.